When you're finished with your assignment for the birthday card, you're going to export it as a JPEG. The way that you do that is up here on the top of your top left of your screen. You're going to go to File and then go down to Export, which is close to the center, and then you're going to go to Export As. Click on that. And then make sure that the format is set to JPEG. Sometimes it'll be set to PNG. We don't want that, so make sure you swap it to JPEG. Quality can stay for, or let's switch the quality to fair, because the higher the quality is, the bigger the file is going to be, and so we don't want to slow down the computer by exporting a really large file. And the way you can kind of see that is if you look at the left-hand side, this is your file size. Right now, if it's a good quality, it's at 83.4 kilobytes. If you switch it to great, you'll see that it's 852. We want to avoid a large file, so I'm going to do a fair quality. And that's the only two things that you're going to change. Then you're going to click export. And then here is where you name your file. So first off, if you don't see this long, if yours looks like this, really small, you have to click on this gray arrow that you see on your screen. So click on that. It's going to expand the window. And you want to go to your desktop and find your 4th period folder. So for me, I have a digital media folder where I'm saving everything. And then before you click save, you need to make sure you name your JPEG. So if you remember on your assignment, there's a like the save file name that you have on there. So make sure you name it the exact same way. So I'm gonna do, it was going to be 01. And then I believe it was, let's do for this one, 01 underscore your first and last name. So I'm going to do my first initial and last name actually. And then we're going to name it birthday card. You always want to include your name and the name of the assignment or project. Remember not to use spaces, you use underscores. And then of course this is our first assignment, so I labeled it 01, just so that as you save it, they come out in order. And then now that it's named, you're gonna click save. And you should be able to see it in your desktop folder. So I'm gonna go look for my digital media folder, and it should be right there. It's a JPEG. So here's my birthday card. This is the file. This JPEG is what you're going to attach to your Google Classroom, and that's what you turn in. Make sure you follow the name. I will make sure to always include the file names for you. That way you can just copy paste and then replace it with your name. And that's it.